Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to install Windows 11 or any window on your PC or laptop using Rufus. It is pretty quick, simple and works perfectly. To install Windows properly, you need these things. A USB drive with at least 8 GB of space. Make sure it is empty. A working PC with an internet connection, Rufus tool, and about 5 to 6 minutes of your time. So without any further ado, let's dive into the window installation process.
And first, let's download Rufus. Open your web browser and search for Rufus download on Google. Or go directly to rufus.ie. Scroll down and click on the latest Rufus link to download it. It is a tiny program and does not even need to be installed. Just save it to your desktop or download folder. Next, we need the official Windows 11 file. Go to Google and search for download Windows 11 ISO file. Click the official Microsoft link. Scroll down to the section that says download Windows 11 disk image. Select Windows 11 multi-edition ISO from the menu and click download. Choose your language, click confirm and then click 64-bit download button. Wait for the download to finish. Now before you open Rufus, let's quickly check if your system needs GPT or MBR. Press Windows plus R to open the run box. Here type MS-Info32 and press enter. Look at the line that says BIOS mode. If it says UEFI, select GPT in Rufus. If it says Legacy, select MBR in Rufus. Now plug your USB drive into your computer and open Rufus. Under device, select your USB device. Under boot selection, click select and choose Windows 11 ISO file you just downloaded. Under partition scheme, choose GPT if your BIOS mode was UEFI or MBR if it was Legacy. Leave everything else as a default and click start at the bottom. Here make sure to check these options. Click OK on the pop-up and click OK again when Rufus warns that your USB will be erased. Wait a few minutes until the green bar says ready. Then close Rufus. Your USB drive is ready.
Now for the final step, plug your USB drive into the PC where you want to install Windows 11 and turn it off completely. Turn it back on and immediately keep pressing your boot menu key, usually F12, F9, F8 or escape depending on your brand. Select your USB drive from the list using arrow key and press enter. On the Windows setup screen, pick your language, time and currency format and click next. Next, choose your keyboard language, then click on next. Here choose to install Windows 11 and accept the agreement. Click I don't have a product key. Next, select your desired Windows 11 edition and click next. Here accept the term and click next. Next, select your drive, click format, select the empty drive again and click next. And finally click on install. Windows will now copy file and install. Your PC will restart once or twice automatically. Here click on I don't have internet. Next, enter your username and click on next. Leave the password area as it is and click on next. Now wait, Windows will adjust the settings for you. That's it. You have successfully installed Windows 11 on your PC or laptop using Rufus. If this video was helpful, please give it a like and hit the subscribe button for more easy tutorial. If you have any question, leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching.